Welcome to Trendz TV. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Lexus NX, a luxury SUV that has carved a reputation for combining elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Lexus has refined the NX for this generation, blending sleek design with modern comfort, advanced safety, and impressive driving dynamics. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling winding roads, this SUV promises to deliver a driving experience that's both dynamic and refined, living up to Lexus' legacy of precision and luxury. Exterior: the front of the 2026 NX immediately commands attention. Lexus has updated its signature spindle grille, making it larger and more sculpted, framed by sharp LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights. These headlights are brighter than before, offering improved visibility in low-light conditions while adding a high-tech, futuristic look. The front bumper has been reshaped for a sportier, more aerodynamic profile, with subtle vents that improve airflow and give the SUV a purposeful stance. Every line on the hood and fascia communicates sophistication and confidence, reflecting Lexus' commitment to both style and performance. From the side, the NX projects a sense of elegance combined with athleticism. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from the front fenders to the rear, creating a sleek, coupe-like silhouette. Wheel arches are subtly pronounced, housing alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches depending on trim, with designs that emphasize both strength and style. Side mirrors and door handles are body-colored in higher trims, while lower trims feature durable finishes ideal for everyday use. Aerodynamic enhancements reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. Roof rails are available for additional practicality, ready to carry luggage, sports gear, or even a roof box for weekend getaways. Overall, the NX's profile balances aggressive sportiness with refined elegance. The rear of the NX is equally impressive, blending functionality with modern aesthetics. The new C-shaped LED taillights provide a signature Lexus look while improving visibility in traffic. The rear bumper is sculpted for a sporty stance, and integrated dual exhausts highlight the SUV's performance credentials. A powered tailgate comes standard, making loading and unloading effortless. Higher trims offer a premium look with chrome accents, black cladding, and subtle aerodynamic touches. The NX's rear design perfectly complements its front and side styling, creating an SUV that's both functional and visually striking. Interior: inside, the 2026 NX cabin combines luxury, technology, and practicality in perfect harmony. The dashboard is driver-focused, featuring a large central touchscreen ranging from 9.8 to 14 inches depending on the trim. Lexus' latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while navigation is smooth, precise, and easy to use. The updated voice assistant allows for hands-free control of music, calls, and climate settings. A customizable digital instrument cluster lets drivers monitor performance data, navigation info, or hybrid system stats in real time. Materials in the cabin are luxurious, with soft touch panels, premium leather, metallic accents, and optional wood trim in higher trims. Seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, offering heating, ventilation, and power adjustments in most variants. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, adjustable headrests, and their own air vents, making the NX a practical option for families. Improved sound insulation ensures a serene cabin, minimizing road and wind noise. Multiple storage solutions including spacious door pockets, cup holders, and a large center console enhance practicality without compromising style. Performance: the 2026 NX offers an array of powertrains tailored for different driving preferences. Options include a 2.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine, a 2.5-liter hybrid setup, and the sportier NX 450 hours plus plug-in hybrid variant. The turbo petrol engine delivers around 275 horsepower, while the hybrid system offers a smooth blend of power and efficiency. Transmission options include a smooth 8-speed automatic, paired with Lexus' advanced all-wheel drive system or front-wheel drive, depending on the trim. The NX delivers refined handling, with a suspension setup that balances comfort and agility. Dynamic drive modes allow you to switch between eco, normal, and sport settings, adapting the steering, throttle response, and suspension stiffness to your preference. Safety systems such as active traction control, hill start assist, and advanced braking ensure the NX feels confident on highways, city roads, and twisty routes alike. Despite its luxury focus, the NX retains enough capability to handle light off-road adventures or slippery surfaces with ease. Lexus hasn't compromised on safety. The 2026 NX comes equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and road sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system add convenience and peace of mind. Multiple airbags and a reinforced safety cell ensure maximum protection, making the NX one of the safest SUVs in its segment. The 2026 Lexus NX offers a range of trims to suit different buyers. Entry-level models focus on luxury essentials and value, while mid-level trims add comfort and technology enhancements. Top trims, like the NX F Sport or NX 450 Hours Plus, provide performance upgrades, exclusive styling elements, and premium interior materials. Considering its combination of luxury, technology, and reliability, the NX offers strong value in the competitive luxury SUV segment. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus NX perfectly blends elegance, innovation, and driving enjoyment. Its bold exterior design, sculpted sides, and refined rear create a visually striking SUV, while the cabin combines comfort, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, multiple powertrains deliver dynamic performance, whether you prioritize efficiency, power, or sporty driving. With advanced safety features and versatile practicality, the NX is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a sophisticated companion for city life, family adventures, and every journey in between. For anyone seeking a vehicle that balances style, comfort, and capability, the 2026 Lexus NX sets the standard in its class, reaffirming Lexus' reputation for quality, innovation, and driving pleasure.